G'day guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to make bubbles and your very own homemade bubble solution with just items from around your house. So if you'd like to see it, let's get into it. Supplies you will need: a plastic bottle, a sock, an elastic band and a pair of scissors. So firstly I cut the bottom off the plastic bottle with the pair of scissors, and I just made sure that it was straight down the bottom, that there was no jagged edges, and then I pulled the sock over the top, and then I put the elastic band on it so that it was nice and tight. And then that's it, that's the bubble blower done. I then created my own bubble solution. This is super easy. Half a cup of water, then roughly a quarter of a cup of dishwashing detergent, and then 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm using caster sugar, and then I mix that all together, and then that's the bubble solution. I dip the bottle in the bubble solution and then it's ready to get blowing. So what I found is if you blow strongly, then you get a really nice continuous lot of bubbles. If you blow softly, then the bubbles are bigger and a bit more floaty. You can also make coloured bubbles by using some coloured food dye like a rainbow snake. All you do is do drops of the food dye in different colours at the bottom of your sock and then blow, and you've got a rainbow. Sophie just loved the bubbles. Thanks heaps for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you have as much fun as what we did making bubbles. Until next time, take care and I'll see you then. Bye!